package in from Banggood. If anybody's ordered from there before, they'll know this is pretty much how they come in. Not in the greatest condition. Just got finished my Kyosho build project earlier today. Went check the mail. I got this little bad boy in from Banggood. I had ordered it about 3 weeks ago. WPL logo. Let's see, I think I got the box marked. Yeah, as you can see the condition they come in. This is a C24K WPL 24. It's their little crawler kit. So opening it up, I hear it rattling, but it is a kit, so it should have loose pieces. Hopefully none of them are broken. So there's been plenty of builds on this. I just wanted to cover the unboxing of the kit. This will be the first time I actually build a crawler, and my first crawler. Oh wow, we got these new ones come with brass gears. That's good, a little better than plastic, I guess. It comes with some of the electronics, these kits. So you get a steering servo in there, your motor and transmission, cheap plastic, some grease for the differentials. Just the body, it's a little Toyota Hilux pickup truck. So this one comes with a camper shell for the bed. Here's the bed of it. I think the battery actually mounts in that part, and then there's like a little toolbox or something that kind of covers it up behind the cab. These are the tires. Supposedly the ones that come in the kit version are nice and soft, softer and better than the ready to run. Here's your main rails. And that's the reason they call it the C chassis, because these are kind of shaped like a C curve in them, I guess. And a whole bunch of screws. And some more parts. And directions. So yeah, I probably won't do this build on camera just because I have no experience at all putting these together. But I just kind of wanted to cover this real quick, give you guys a heads up. I mean, I literally finished my build video on the Kyosho Sandmaster Mark II that I converted from nitro to electric. Check that out. I'll put a link in the video up top. I'll put this together and post some reviews and running videos, not actual building. So that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned to more videos coming in the future. Thanks. Bye.